Finally, Udio has brought out a new feature that can help it catch up to what suno.ai has offered for a while now. Udio is calling it style reference. It's available as early access to pro users for the time being. Let's start by creating a song from scratch using an external audio file. In the Create tab, right next to Describe Your Song, you'll see Use Style Reference. You can click on it to upload an audio file from your computer. I've uploaded a lo-fi hip-hop instrumental. Right next to the preview, there's a slider where you can make the style of the new song more similar or less similar. I'm going to leave it at the default. I'm going to add some lyrics. All of Udio's advanced controls are still here if you want to tweak things further. And if you wanted to change the default output from 32 seconds to a full song, just switch it over to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Here's what it sounds like.
Days like this are like a gentle breeze. Rising comfortable, feel again. Nothing's urgent, the world fades away.
Love how melodic it is. Does a great job blending the instrumental with the lyrics that I had written. Extending songs provides the ability to transition one style of music to another, all in the same song. So first I'm going to start with a punk rock song.
I'm standing in an arena, feel a pulse in my veins. The crowd's roaring loud, they're screaming my name. Plagues in my hand, the sunlight blinding my eyes. The sand is so clear, filled with falling cries.
So I'm going to start by extending it, and then I have another rock song, which I'll give you a preview of.
The arena when it screams get louder.
We're going to make sure that we're in the use style reference, and the second song, I'm going to take it and I'm just going to drag it right in and click extend. I'm going to actually skip ahead a little bit to where the song starts to blend because it's not right at the beginning.
Strike writing my legacy, born as a warrior, destined to defy the heart of Rome when legends never die.
Udio does an amazing job, just such a seamless transition. I love how it put it all together. Where things can get really creative is remixing songs. This gives you the ability to blend styles together instead of just doing the transition like extend. I have a previously created song that I made in Udio, which has a West Coast vibe to it. We're going to go to remix. And after clicking on style reference, because I was using the lo-fi hip-hop instrumental, it's already loaded by default. But if you wanted to just switch it out, click the upload audio button and then just import your new song. And here's the remix version with both styles blended together.
Cruising on the boulevard, palm trees in sight. West Coast vibes, Cali life, it's a sorry night.
This came out amazing. The blend feels natural and it breathed new life into the old song. I'm really impressed with Udio's style reference feature, especially the ability to blend multiple musical styles together, which brings AI song creation up another level. If you got value out of this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out when new content goes live. And if you're looking to learn more about getting creative with AI tools, I have more content available that you can click on right here.